Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to another DIY. Oh my god. So this turban, I call this rich auntie vibe. Also, guys, I know guys really miss me. Sorry, I'll be so busy. So this is another DIY, another tutorial on how to make this velvet turban. I make use of velvet turban. Just as you create something with velvet, and the outcome is so beautiful, and there is on a fast selling turban. So just look at it, just take a look at it, just look at those glass tacky stone. Wow. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. And so this is the material needed for this video. And for people that complains on my camera, that my camera is so all I say that is so close to what I'm doing. So I'm trying to work on something, so my camera is going to be far from me so you can see it so clearly. So thanks for the love and the support. And this is the velvet material. It's popular known as Aron. It's the velvet materials, and that's my thread. So one yard is okay. At least I bought 2 yard, and I think I was able to make 2 yard, two different types there, and some turbans. So and that's the my tape rule, and that's my glass tacky stone, and that is my stone. Just to look at this stone, like this stone is so beautiful. I love it so much. So let's DIY. Let's get started. So just take a look at these guys, and I'm going to the measurement for this. So you can check my previous videos on how to make turban. I have a lot of videos on how to make turban. So don't mind the way I'm talking on this video. I'm a little bit strong, so I'm just trying to make some turbans for you guys. And I have 25 inches. I later reduce it to 23 inches. And this is the velvet, and velvet is so stretchy. You can see even adjust it to 22 or 21 inches. So we have 23 inches by 7 inches. And so guys, just look at it, and 25 inches, just look at it. I'm so sorry, guys, and I'm a little bit strong on this video. So you're going to put your rope inside the ruffle. You can check period of my videos on how to fix your ruffle inside. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Trying to fix my ruffle inside. So sorry if this camera is so close to this video. Yes, so sorry. I'm going to work on it. So I'm going to make sure the camera is so far from what I'm doing so you guys can see it so clearly. And I think this video I'm still going to repeat it again, but just look at this. This is still going to help on some, I think. And if you don't understand anything, just drop your videos. And so when you pull in um your rope, so the ruffle is going to be measurements of 10 inches. Just look at it, just 10 inches. It's going to be in 10 inches. Then you sew and close the handle. You go to the other side and you sew and close it. Just close it down. So I'm going to advise you to use a hot glue first. You're going to use a hot glue first before you start using your needle and thread. So I have already glued this on the turban body, and the measurement of the ruffle after I've already draw it out is 10 inches. So you're going to tack you tack, you sew, you tack, you sew, you tack, you sew. Make sure you tack it so neatly and so neatly. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. I still your girl as of Mina. Thank you all for your love and your support. And so I'm going to tack I think I tack in 6 or 8 places. I think in 6 and 8 places I tack. So you have to tack it. So you have to tack it after you glue it. You still have to tack it. So keep doing that. So keep doing that. So I think I'm done with the tacking. And so the next thing I'll be doing right now, I'm going to knit it, remove the gum from the turban. Yes, that is inside of the turban. Always make sure the inside of your turban is so neat. Yes, and make sure your work is so neat. That is so important. And I'll be working with my tacking stone. The big one is called tacking stone, and this one is called and this is a Chinese stone. I just love the two stones. So I'm working with silver and gold and black. Wow, I love that combination. So just look at this. So you take this to your dummy's head and you start embellishing it. So just fix it and you embellish it. So when you're using the tacky stone, make sure you wait for like some seconds before you apply it to your turban body, so it's not going to be falling out. So just see what I'm doing, and wow, look at that stone. So keep doing that, guys. Just keep doing that the way I'm doing it. So easy to do. Just a little. Yes, just a little is okay. So a little is okay. You just push down to press it there, just like that. So just take a look at this. And that is the finishing look part, guys. This is my rich auntie Turban vibe. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, share this video with friends and family. Make this and make more money. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Wow.